Lines that have slopes which are negative reciprocals of each other are perpendicular. Below is an example of perpendicular lines. They will always intersect. In a moment, I will explain what the term negative reciprocals of each other mean. And now let's look at what it means when perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. The bottom line is one sign will always be negative and one sign will be positive. So they'll be opposite in sign. Let's do an example. Here we have 2/5. This number is positive. So the negative reciprocal of it would have to be a number that is negative. Reciprocal means flipped. So it's going to be opposite sign and flip, which will give you -5/2. You can always determine whether they truly are perpendicular by simply multiplying them together. If when you multiply those two numbers together, it equals -1, then they are perpendicular. So let's go ahead and multiply 2/5 times -5/2. What we get is -10/10, which does equal -1. So yes, these two numbers are opposite in sign, what we call negative reciprocal, opposite and flipped. Next, -3. So we know that to be the negative reciprocal of it, it has to have an opposite sign. So if this number here is negative, the negative reciprocal of that has to be positive and flipped. If you were to write -3/1 and flip it, what you get is 1/3. We can always check to see if they're perpendicular by simply multiplying these two numbers. If the result equals -1, then they are perpendicular. So -3 times 1/3, as you can see, it does equal -1. So again, negative reciprocals means opposite sign and flipped. Okay.